Hi everyone, and welcome to this short class where I'm going to be taking you through a pranayama technique to help you to reduce any stress and anxiety that you might be holding in your mind or your body. Today's pranayama technique is called Dhirga pranayama, or 3-part breath, and it's a practice where we breathe into 3 parts of our bodies, which include the belly, the ribs and the chest. But before we begin, I'm going to take you through a few opening asanas so that we can really start to expand through the body using our breath when it comes to the pranayama technique that I'm going to be taking you through today. So when you're ready, starting in a comfortable seated position, placing the hands in the lap with the palms facing down and closing off your eyes. Grow tall through your spine, reaching the crown of the head up to the sky, and relax your shoulders, taking them down away from the ears. We're going to take a few releasing breaths. So inhaling, taking the ears up to the shoulders, inhaling through your nose. Exhale, drop the shoulders away from the ears as you exhale through the mouth. Good, inhale, lift. Exhale, release. And last one, inhale. And exhale, release. Good, just relaxing into the mind and the body. Take a few moments to ground down and just notice anything that's coming up for you in this present moment. Slowly start to open up the eyes and then take the right hand to the right side, inhaling, taking the left arm all the way up and over to the right and gazing towards the left fingertips or the right fingertips, and taking 5 breaths here, opening through the left side of the body. Good, slowly come back through centre and over to the left, reaching right arm all the way up and over. And again, 5 breaths, breathing into the right side of the body. Good, slowly come back through centre. And then from here, you're either going to interlace the hands behind you or catch hold of the elbows. And then you're going to inhale as you lengthen through your spine, and exhale, start to fold forwards, coming down as low as you can. Take 5 breaths wherever you are. Inhale and slowly start to come back up and release the hands, just shaking the hands out. Slowly take the hands onto the knees, palms facing down, and inhale, take the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale, back and round, draw the shoulder blades together. Inhale and lift, and exhale, back and round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back and round. And inhale, lift. Exhale, back and round. Take the chin down to the chest. Allow the head to drop down. Take the shoulders all the way down away from the ears. And breathing into the back of the neck, take a few breaths. Good, slowly bring the head back to centre and then take the arms out into cactus. Inhale, open through the chest, look up. Exhale, round the spine, draw the elbows together. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round the spine, draw the elbows together. So just trying to create as much space in the upper body as you do this as you can. If it means drawing the shoulder blades together that tiny bit more, then doing so as you open. Exhale, round the spine, tuck yourself in. Inhale, open. Exhale, round the spine, draw the elbows together. Good. Drop the hands down onto the knees, palms facing down, big shoulder roll going backwards, and just sitting up nice and tall. As you close off the eyes, give yourself a few moments to notice how the body's feeling. And then I'd like you to take one hand to the heart and one hand to the belly, still sitting up as tall as you can. We're going to begin Dhirga Pranayama, and I'm going to guide you through 6 rounds. We're going to breathe in and out through our nostrils, so all inhalations and exhalations through our nose. And we'll begin inhaling, taking breath down to the belly, and then the ribs and the chest. Exhale through the chest, the ribs and the belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, 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 belly. Take the hands on the knees with the palms facing down. A few moments of stillness and silence. Allow the breath to return to its natural state. Notice anything that's coming up for you. Notice if you feel any shift in the mind or the body just from this short practice. Perhaps you might be feeling a little bit more stillness, like you can be a little bit more gentle with yourself. Whatever it is, just taking note. When you're ready, slowly start to open up the eyes. Inhale, take the arms all the way up above you, bring the palms together. Exhale, hands down through heart center. Bow your head down to your heart. Thank yourself and your body for your practice. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through your practice today.